Maria, and I'm calling in behalf LLC. And I'm calling to open a wholesale account. Can you send me an application and a price list? Okay. Yes, of course. Amazon is one of a number of marketplaces that we sell on, in addition to a network of our own corporate sites. Okay. All right. Yeah. I have a question for you. Do you have a map policy? How it is enforced? Mm-hmm. All right. How about, do you have online reseller agreement? All right. Thank you so much. Now, can you tell me about your Amazon sales policy? Okay. I understand. You don't need Amazon sellers. No problem with that. So, mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, I agree. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I agree that you don't need any more sales. I mean, Amazon sellers. In fact, I feel strongly that you need much better off with a few sellers, and ideally just two sellers who have your brand's best interest at heart, right? Mm-hmm. Have you thought about the various ways that a seller could add value to your brand's presence on Amazon? Oh, I understand. You're not the decision maker. Mm-hmm. Well, no problem with that. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to tell you what is the benefit of this one. Okay? Because unlike most Amazon sellers, don't lift a finger to add value to your brand. Our company's goal is to become a trusted advisor and authorized reseller. And we have a number of really great references in this regard. Mm-hmm. Do you think that would be something your company would want to know more about? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Well, I want to make sure I understand your answer. Okay? So, you're saying that you don't think your company would want to learn about how we have helped numerous other brands to solve all sorts of Amazon related problems once they authorize us to become one of their Amazon sellers? Mm hmm. Mm hmm. Mm hmm. Okay. Okay. Well, in regards to that, I can go ahead and prepare a listing deficiency report for a potential supplier. We generate a written report that covers our analysis of, here is the following: the areas of your product listing that we need improvement, and then the areas where we believe your competitors are out marketing you, the advertising footprint from any campaigns being run by your current sellers, and how we think it could be improved. Mm-hmm. All right. Do you think that this is something that one of your management team would want to see? Or, well, if so, would you help me to connect with them for a short call so that I can ask a few questions before we invest the time in having our analyst create the report? I really understand you're not the decision maker here on. Uh huh. Okay. Uh huh. Uh huh. Okay. Okay. All right. Mm hmm. All right. I understand. Uh huh. So, can you tell me how you select your sellers? So, okay. All right. Mm-hmm. All right. Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay. All right. Well, no problem. So I regularly talk to brands who don't want any more Amazon sellers. Okay. However, in every case, these brands don't want to increase sales, eliminate problems, and improve overall performance. So if this is how you feel, I'd like to offer you to do something for you. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. So here's the thing. We have a report that, well, we call a listing deficiency report. And in this report, we provide you with our analysis of the areas of your product listing that need improvement, and then the areas where we believe your competitors are out marketing you, and then the advertising footprint from any campaigns being run by your current sellers and how we think it could be improved. Okay? All right. So, well, I am happy to create the report at our expense. And all I ask is that you give me an opportunity to present it via online meeting to yourself. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I understand it's not you. You're not the decision maker, but no worries. Okay. And and mm-hmm. And any other stakeholders would have a say in whether or not to approve our account application. Is that fair? Okay. All right. All right. Thank you. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. All right. Thank you so much. So I'm looking forward for the next call. Okay. I'm looking forward to talk to someone that is in charge of decision making. Okay. But thank you so much for your time. I really do appreciate it. Mm-hmm. Okay. Have a great day, Dan. Bye.